edge, face. All right, so today I'm going to be talking about how I go about spraying a full wrap window. So this is a full wrap window right here, and what I mean by that is it's wrapped with wood all the way around. A partial wrap could just be like a sill, and then the rest of it is wrapped with drywall. The window itself, you know, the sides of the window need to be done. So I got my sides, the bottom needs to be, you know, done. If somebody was laying down on the floor, looking up and didn't paint the bottom, you know, especially if you're going like from black to white, white to black, something that was, you know, a lot of contrast, you would notice that. The other thing is the tops of the windows. You know, a lot of painters don't paint the tops of the windows. I just get on a ladder, I'll hit the tops. You're gonna have to start somewhere, you know, possibly, you know, on your project that could cause a spit. I'm using emerald urethane. It levels out, you know, extremely well. So one spit, you're not gonna see it. But I'll typically start, you know, right here. A lot of times I'll just start off, and so I'll get my spit on the wall, and then I'll come up and start working on my project. I typically, you know, do a full wrap window like this, and then I come back. So I'm doing the sides and the top, and I come back and do the sill last because I want the paint loaded up on that sill really well. So I'll do the sill and the bottom. So that's my top. So now I don't need my ladder. I'm just gonna get the ladder out of the way. I'm gonna do my sides. Just a nice, even, steady pace. There's my sides. Now I'm gonna come my face. Edge. Face. Now I gotta hit the window because I brought my masking out. I come off and I don't have a spit. Bottom, face, edge, sill again, face, right there. That's how I shoot a full wrap window. Now I'm looking at it, and it, you know, if I see anything, this one corner right there is a little bit light, because it's hard to span that gap right there. I can hit it, but look at it. Does it look like it's saturated? Does it look like I hit everything? It looks pretty dang good. And now, you know, once you adopt a system like that, you know, if you don't get any runs, then you'll just replicate that system once again. This is what I came up with. You know, I tried multiple systems and I'd get runs here or runs there. I'm like, okay, I gotta eliminate that run. How do I eliminate it? And eventually this pattern on a full wrap window is how I, you know, learned how to, you know, do a full wrap window with the least amount of overlaps and actually no runs. I believe that's gonna hang and look pretty dang good. So that's a full wrap window sprayed the Idaho paint away.